Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone, not just the wealthy: estate planning. It's about protecting your legacy and ensuring your loved ones are taken care of. We'll be breaking down IRS Form 706, the Federal Estate Tax Return. If you're an executor or planning your estate, this information is essential. So, what exactly is IRS Form 706, officially known as the United States Estate and Generation Skipping Transfer Tax Return? This form is used to report the value of a deceased person's estate to the IRS and calculate any federal estate tax owed. Now, who needs to file Form 706? Executors must file if the estate's total value exceeds the federal exemption amount. For 2025, that threshold is set at $13.61 million. For individuals, double that for married couples. It's important to remember that this form must be filed within 9 months of the decedent's death. While you can request a 6-month extension, keep in mind that taxes are still due on time. What's included in the estate? A variety of assets, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds, business interests, personal property, life insurance proceeds, and even digital assets and intellectual property. Everything is valued at fair market value on the date of death. Let's talk about deductions that can help reduce estate tax. The marital deduction allows assets passed to a U.S. citizen spouse to be tax-free. Charitable donations are fully deductible. In debts and expenses including mortgages, loans, attorney fees, and executor commissions can also be deducted. There are special elections on Form 706 that can be beneficial. For instance, portability allows you to transfer unused exemption to a surviving spouse. The alternate valuation option lets you use values 6 months after death if they reduce tax liability. Additionally, installment payments can help spread tax payments over time for certain estates. If you need help navigating estate taxes or filing Form 706, don't hesitate to reach out to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services. You can contact us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. We're here to guide you through every step, professionally, clearly, and with care. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more financial tips, tax insights, and community empowerment. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.